We've launched a challenge by way of an application for judicial review. Now, judicial review is in 2 stages. We've got to first get permission to bring judicial review. So yesterday, the application for permission for judicial review came on for hearing. At the time when you apply for leave to bring judicial review, you also ask for a stay or an injunction. You say to the court, if you give me leave to bring judicial review, I want you to, in the meantime, stay the proceedings in front of the magistrate. Godfrey Smith appeared for the government and the magistrate and said, of course, he wasn't prepared to argue the question yesterday because we had just filed it last week and they just retained him over the weekend. So the magistrate said, indeed, we will then have to adjourn the hearing of the application for permission. I asked whether in the meantime she would grant a temporary stay because the magistrate is to continue tomorrow. But of course, as was pointed out and as we knew, if she granted that stay, it would mean the magistrate could not continue tomorrow. And the detention order, the last detention order that she made, which is only to last until tomorrow, would expire and the money would have to be given back, even before we, in fact, got the permission to go for judicial review, and even before we would have won the judicial review challenge when that does get heard. She refused to give me that stay because it would have resulted in the cash having to be returned. Her position was that, listen, if you are right in all you're alleging, when we do judicial review and you win, if you are right, the harm that's being done to your clients by way of their money having been seized will be compensated for in damages. And if you're right in saying that the magistrate has gone terribly wrong, the court can make an appropriate statement, because I'm contending that the magistrate has absolutely broken down, trampled upon all the guardrails that the law sets up to ensure that when you take a man's money, there is some level of protection.